Hey there, this is Alex with FileDrop, and today I want to show you how to allow others to upload files in your Google Drive without them signing in. What we're going to use is the FileDrop File Forms. The FileDrop File Forms allow you to connect your Google Drive and select a Google Drive folder where users can upload the files that you need. Let's get started. If you want to find out more about the file forms, please go on our website, getfiledrop.com, and find out everything you need to know about it. Let's get started. Here I already have a few forms created, but for this tutorial I'm going to create a new one. And we're going to call it test form upload. If we want, we can add a simple logo. We can be notified on our responses. We can enable CAPTCHA for bot protection. If we want to keep it secure, we can even add the passcode to share with the users that we want. We're gonna activate this one. I'm gonna add here the form title. This is gonna be on the front page of the form. And the basic fields are already added by our app. I'm gonna first create the form and then I'm gonna connect my Google Drive. Enable for this form. And the app just created a new folder, and if I want to change it, I can do that right here. And if I want, I can select any folder here, but for now we're gonna leave it to this one here. Gonna click save again, and now I can share my form with the users that I want them to send me the files. I have here the form. I can say Alex at getfiledrop.com. I only allowed one file, and this is an image. And I'm just gonna add a simple image here. Gonna click submit, okay. And the file was uploaded and sent to me. If I want to see the responses, I can go here and I can see them right here. So that's it. It's pretty easy and simple. Now every time someone uploads files, I can see them in my Google Drive folder here. For each submission, it's going to create a new folder. If I want to export this to Google Sheets, I can click here the export to Sheets button, and it will automatically create a Google Sheet for me where I can view the responses. I can use this for automation purposes, or connect my Zapier account maybe, or make.com account, and every time it detects submission here, it can do different things. Take this data and place it in another system or use it in another way. I hope you found this useful. You can go ahead to getfiledrop.com, register an account, and test it for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Cheers. Bye.